Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Up for Dinner. I'm Anna, and today we're going to whip up a cozy classic that is perfect for those chilly evenings. Creamy tomato soup. It's like a warm hug in a bowl, and trust me, you're gonna love it. So let's dive into it and get cooking.
You gotta cook and you know you're not a chef, but the kitchen shouldn't put you to the test. So put your apron on, turn up the heat, and in a matter of minutes, we'll be ready to eat. Up for dinner. You're watching up for dinner.
Alright, so for the recipe, you'll need 1 large eggplant, 4 large tomatoes, you'll need 2 full garlics, you'll also need 1 jalapeno pepper, and you'll need 2 large bell peppers, you'll need 1 large red onion, and you'll need some herbs for garnish. You'll also need some chicken breasts. We'll bread them, we'll fry them, but that's going to be done separately. And the most interesting thing is that your soup is going to be baked. And to bake all this wonderful, delicious ingredients, we'll need to wrap them in aluminum foil. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And while it's heating up, let's prep our veggies. We're going to take our tomatoes, our eggplant, garlic cloves, chili pepper, and the red onion, and individually wrap them into aluminum foil. Then we're going to pop them into the oven and let them roast for about an hour. This will really bring all those delicious flavors. While I'm waiting for my veggies to roast, I'm going to pre-chop some of my herbs. Okay, we're gonna also bread our chicken just before we'll fry them. So very simple, nice and easy on each side, so they're fully covered with breadcrumbs. Superb, just like this. While we're waiting for our veggies to roast, we still have about 25 minutes to go. We're gonna use our time wisely and grill some chicken. Those chicken breasts are nicely breaded. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to the pan, distribute it nicely, just like this, and start adding our wonderful chicken breasts right in. We're gonna cook them until they're crispy and delicious, but you can either bake them or fry them. Our chicken is looking absolutely beautiful and golden, exactly what I was hoping for. So we're gonna transfer it over here. I've added just a thought of turmeric as well, just to add a little bit more of that golden hue. It's wonderful. All right, you guys, now that our veggies are beautifully roasted and tender, it's time to blend them into a creamy soup. Be careful unwrapping them as they're super hot, and then blend them until they're smooth and creamy. We're gonna start adding some of the garlic. Remember, you guys, we baked 2 full garlics, and it's gonna add absolutely delicious flavor to our creamy soup. The finishing touch is to add our 200 ml of cream, just like this, and we're gonna blend it together one more time. Wonderful. All right, so now that we transferred it over to the pot, we're gonna add some greens that I preemptively pre-chopped. It's cilantro, basil, and some green onions. Just like this, nice. And we're gonna stir it until it starts boiling. And then we can finally serve it. one last thing that we need to do, we need to add a little bit of salt. Okay, we just need to bring it to soft boil. And it's boiling now, so we're gonna turn it off. Close the lid. And we're almost ready to serve. Last thing that I'm gonna do, I'm going to cut the chicken breasts into very, very small pieces and use them as a garnish on top of our soup. All right, you guys, we're gonna be serving. Our soup is looking absolutely delicious and creamy. And all we need to do is now just, call your family and friends, make sure they're hungry, as it is very filling. So the way that I usually serve it, I add some of that chicken that we cooked together. I add that on top just to add a little bit more nutrition, flavor, and it makes a huge difference. And then a little bit of herbs, just like this, you guys. And that is absolutely perfect. It looks amazing. I'm gonna give it a try. Wonderful. And there you have it. Our creamy tomato soup is guaranteed to warm you from the inside out. I hope you guys will give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.